Looking at the operation of this machine, you cannot help but be impressed by the efficiency and precision in the tray gluing process. Each piece of meat is precisely placed into each tray and then packaged with a durable wrap, keeping the meat fresh and safe. Each sharp blade on the bacon cutting line is an artist in the music of food processing. Seeing them operate powerfully and precisely, you not only see the engineering sophistication, but also feel the power and performance of the technology. With the ability to slice meat quickly and accurately, this machine not only saves time but also creates thin and uniform slices of meat, ready for packaging and display at the supermarket. This brings trust to consumers and is a great benefit for businesses in the food industry. The thinness of each slice of meat not only enhances the natural beauty of the ingredients but also creates ideal conditions for cooking. Thanks to its thinness and regularity, the meat can cook evenly and quickly, retaining its pure flavor and nutrition, giving you a complete meal. The image of the meat labeling machine operating with power and precision, you cannot help but be amazed by its automation and efficiency. Each label placed on each piece of meat is a symbol of professionalism and high standards in the production process. Knife blades are not just tools, but also symbols of craftsmanship and technique in the food industry. Their sharpness not only cuts the sausages but also cuts into the hearts of consumers, making them remember and appreciate the unique flavor of smoked sausages. Cookies, a traditional cake that not only brings a delicious taste but is also filled with memories and emotions. Enjoying each crispy crust, you can feel the aroma of toasted butter and sweet vanilla, like a memory of warm winter afternoons with a cup of coffee. Looking at the sponge cakes drifting through the chain, do you feel like you are being invited into a sweet and rich world? The scent of sponge cake from pure wheat flour combined with the smell of vanilla or chocolate spread throughout the space, making your taste buds awaken and people's hearts melt. Amory packaging machine is a significant step forward in automating the food packaging process. With modern technology and precise design, Amory not only helps improve the quality of your food, but also helps you to make your own food. And high-performance, string cheese excavators help increase production productivity, reduce incidents, and save labor time. Thanks to its automatic and reliable operation, string cheese excavators help ensure that the production process is continuous and efficient. Spring rolls are a delicious dish with an attractive flavor. It is not only a delicious dish but also a symbol of the harmony between the unique flavors of ingredients and exquisite cooking skills. Every time we see crispy fried spring rolls, we can't help but be fascinated by the passionate aroma and attractive colors. The robot arm, programmed precisely and delicately, is performing the special task of placing pieces of bright yellow cheese into. The tray with dexterity and efficiency. Looking at the robot arm in action, we can't help but be amazed at its flexibility and precision, like an artist arranging works of art. Tom, with its unique and attractive flavor, is a traditional dish imbued with the identity of Vietnamese culinary culture. Looking at the process of processing green rice, we can feel the dedication and enthusiasm of the green rice maker. The rice grains are carefully selected and roasted over low heat to create the characteristic. The process of roasting rice not only requires care and technique but also requires patience and experience. After the rice has been roasted to a golden color, the rice flake makers blow and pound gently to separate the rice grains from the clusters. Calm is not only a delicious dish but also a symbol of family connection and affection, often shared during traditional holidays and New Year. Quality and nutritional value. The image of dates evokes a feeling of freshness and appeal. With their bright color and unique shape, dates are not only a source of nutrition but also a beautiful highlight in your meals. Dates are full of antioxidants and vitamins which help energize and protect your body from the effects of free radicals. At the same time, the sweet and cool flavor of dates makes each bite enjoyable and refreshing. With a round shape and smooth surface, dates are often used in many dishes, from desserts to delicious salads or drinks. Imagine you are admiring a modern salad packaging line. You will be fascinated by the impression and convenience it brings. From the way the salad ingredients are automatically arranged and packaged, to the way each salad package is packaged with precision and sophistication, it all creates a picture of harmony and perfection. Not only the thoroughness in each step but also the optimization of time and capacity. This line is not only a symbol of technological progress but also a testament to the care and concern for product quality. When standing in front of such a modern salad packaging line, you will feel proud and confident in the advancement of food industry and at the same time be sure that you are receiving the highest quality products. The washing machine with stainless steel paddle is an effective solution for cleaning leafy vegetables by soaking. The paddle is designed to gently move the vegetables through the water without damaging them or losing their quality. The paddle soaks the vegetables into the pot in a product-friendly way, ensuring that the vegetables are not damaged during the cleaning process. This process helps remove dirt and heavy parts easily through the purge valve, ensuring that clean water is maintained during washing. Are you having difficulty cleaning vegetables? It's really a challenge for you, but let us help you overcome those difficulties. With smart functions and features, the vegetable washer not only cleans vegetables effectively but also ensures food safety and family health.